Gusto mo bang magkabahay na affordable at malaki para sa pamilya mo? Well, I've got the perfect solution for you. Introducing the Aria model sa Hiraya Homes sa Barangay Cabuco, Trece Martires City, Cavite. A two-story townhouse with 40 square meter lot area and 52 square meter floor area. Perfect space for your family and for all your needs. Dito sa Aria model, you get provision for 3 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath, bare finish upon turnover. Ang reservation fee is only 10,000 pesos, and with Pag-ibig financing, you can move in with affordable monthly payments. Welcome to the Aria model at Hiraya Homes sa Barangay Cabuco, Trece Martires, Cavite. It's a two-story townhouse with 40 square meter lot area and 52 square meter floor area. Perfect for growing families or kahit ikaw lang mag-isa. Spacious, affordable, and located in a peaceful community. Sa Aria model, you get 2 to 3 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath, bare finish siya upon turnover, so you can easily add your personal touch. Perfect for your family style and needs. The space is ready. All you need to do is make it your own. 10,000 reservation fee lang ang kailangan mo to secure your unit. And with Pag-ibig financing, you can enjoy affordable monthly down payments. Hassle-free ang process, and before you know it, you'll be living in your own home. Message us today to reserve your unit at Hiraya Homes and start your home ownership journey today.